Hi everyone, Katie from the Montessori Room here. I want to talk to you a little bit today about our cleaning bundle. So it's going to come in this box packaged with care, and I'll tell you what you'll find inside. So you're going to get an apron. Aprons are a great addition to the home. They provide the child with a cue of the job, the task, the activity that they are going to be doing. So we encourage you to use aprons when you're cleaning, when you're working in the kitchen. It's something that you will find in every Montessori classroom around the globe. You'll also get this child size hand mitt. So it's great. It has a little slot for your child to put their hand into, and then they're going to make circular motions to wipe up any spills that happen. It's important to remember that spills are an opportunity to develop an interest in caring for the environment, so as long as you have the right tools, the spills can be cleaned up. All right, so you will also find a hand broom and a dustpan, child size, made of wood, made of metal, really high quality, and a great addition to the home. Again, now you've got a dry spill, you can demonstrate how to sweep it up and throw it in the garbage. Next is a classroom favorite. As a teacher, I can tell you the spray bottle and a squeegee. Cleaning the windows is a very popular activity for children under the age of 3. The great thing about these spray bottles is that it's really easy to squeeze them. They're made for child-sized hands, so you just fill them up with water, point them in the direction of a window or a mirror, demonstrate how to use the squeegee to get the water droplets off of the window, and you've got a great practical life activity in your home. All right, we also have inside this box a child-size watering can. You can see perfect for little hands, so you want to have a house plant, something on the ground, something that your child can reach, and you can develop an interest in caring for the environment, caring for plants. So fill it up with water, demonstrate how to pour it, how to check the soil to make sure that it's wet and the plant needs to be watered, and enjoy. Here. And then finally, inside the box, you will find folding cloths. Folding cloths are a very popular Montessori material found in Toddler and in CASA environments. So you can use them as folding cloths. There's going to be lines on them that show you where they are to be folded, but they can also be used as napkins in a more practical sense around the home at meal times. So this is our toddler cleaning set. Really great high quality materials inside the box. And that's it. Thank you.